Thanks. Can't wait to bite into this burger. Oh, a prom invite? I've always wanted to be prom queen. Wow, I'm a prom queen. And you're my king? Ow! Ah.
What a loser.
I'll show you.
Whoever this lands on will get a kiss. Show me the lucky girl.
I know who it is. I win. It's finally happening.
I didn't say with who.
You guys are mean. I'm tired of having no friends. Well, at least I have reading. Oh, maybe I could use his help. Let me call him. Hello?
Okay, I'm going. Hey, I'm here to save the day. You sure need some work. Let's see. Aha. I've got everything you need inside this beauty box. But first, skincare. My formula will make your acne disappear. The secret ingredient? Glitter. Just mix it all until it comes together. We want that skin glowing.
That looks so weird.
You look weird. Now shush and let me help you. There, all done.
What have you done? Get it off!
Ew, that's a lot of acne.
Wow, it worked! My skin has never been this clear.
Girl, this outfit is so last century. Get in there and change. And don't come out until you have a cool outfit.
What do you think of this one? I'm going for casual and dressy.
No. Get back in there. Lean in on the dressy part. Now let's see.
What about this?
No, try again.
Are you kidding me? Fine.
You better come up with your best one.
Oh dear, I'm running out of clothes? This is my last shot. Is it good?
Wow. It's perfect. Twirl for me?
Okay.
Ugh, it's so flat. I got something that could help with that. Here, try this on.
Huh? Really? Okay. I didn't know makeovers are a lot of work. And it's a lot of change, too. Ooh, I could get used to this. Woohoo! It's like I have pillows down there. I can't wait to show this off at prom.
Stop! You're making a mess.
Ouch!
Huh? Oh, what a drama queen. Let's dance.
I need a snack break.
Hey, you're eating? Can you give me some of that?
It's lipstick. I got more in the box.
Wow, they look so yummy. I have an idea. Hello, TikTok. Get ready with me. First, we gotta refresh the lips. That made me thirsty. Surprise! It's another lip balm. Want dessert? Look somewhere else because this is lipstick. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, this one? Not makeup. Don't forget to have fun while getting ready. Last step, lip gloss.
What are you doing?
I'm filming a get ready with me.
Oh dear. Let me show you how to get ready. Check it out.
Wow.
Yes, I'm good. Time for a reward. A lollipop.
Oh my, are you okay?
We gotta work on your hair. Black hair? So last season... Here, let me remove it for you. That was easy. Ugh, don't worry. Everything's under control. This won't take a second. All done. Yeah, that's better.
Oh, what a pretty color. I love my new hair.
What the? No.
Whoa, what are you doing? Weirdo.
Huh? Not again. Girl, you're shaped like an umbrella. Come on.
I can't help it.
I've got just the thing for you. Wear this.
Whoa. My back's totally straight now.
Walk for me.
I feel like a supermodel with this posture. Whoa, I'm stuck. Get it off. I'm kind of anxious about the party.
You, stop doing that. Ugh, it looks scary. Don't you worry. I'm gonna transform your nails. Let me just take all the necessary precautions. It's gonna be a major operation.
Isn't that a little too big?
Fine, let's start. Your nails are not prom-worthy, I'll tell you that, but I can work with it. I'm a genius stylist after all.
They're beautiful. Wow.
All in a day's work. My nails. I'm totally winning prom king for sure.
No one's getting in my way as prom queen. Whoa, the prom queen is here?
There's my girl. She looks great.
Wow, not bad.
So pretty. Whoa, now that's a prom queen.
Hey, give me a kiss, handsome.
Love to.
Haha, look.
What the? Ew.
He did not.
He did.
Uh-oh. I can't believe you fell for that.
But I was tricked, no?
That's what you get.
Yeah, great job.
Let's party.